Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to publish our website that we create on Wix.com. Guys, this is the dummy website I've created over here, and now I want to publish my website and then we will see how it look like. So guys, when you're done with your website, and then look at the top right corner on the screen, here you will see publish button. You have to click on it. Once you click on this publish button, then the site will be published, and you can see this is the link of your website. And here, by clicking this button, you can view your website. So as you can see guys, this is our website and you can see the animations over here. If we scroll down, you can see the video behind this paragraph. You can see the whole website, and this is how to publish website on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.